Hello, my name is Juan Velasquez, Solutions Engineer here at Globalli, and in this video we're going to explore the Communities module, where employees can connect, share updates, and engage across the organization. We're going to go through three main parts. First, the main feed, where we'll create and engage with posts. Then, spaces, the micro communities where teams or groups can collaborate around shared interests. And finally, we're going to check out events, where we can explore upcoming activities and create new ones. Let's start with the main community feed. At the top, we can see the number of followers and followings for the admin account, as well as the birthday and anniversary celebrations happening today, a nice way to build a sense of community. If we scroll through, we can see a variety of posts shared by colleagues. We can like, comment, and even repost any of them to keep the conversation going. Now let's go and create a few posts ourselves. Now we're going to go and create a standard post. Here we can write our message and attach any media. So I'm just going to copy this post and we're going to attach a media. We're going to use the drag and drop, upload. Okay, and now if we publish, we can see the post that we have created. Now let's go and create a poll. Here we can add a short description. We're going to copy this one. Then we're going to ask a question about what motivates the employees at work. And we're going to fill three options for them to answer. So we're going to copy this one. Okay. And now we post and they can go and vote and engage with this post. We can also then create a shoutout post that is perfect for recognizing a teammate or celebrating someone's contribution. Here we just click, we just type the name, Adrian, okay, we select it, and then we type the message. And as you can see, we post this one and you can see that we have the message and the shout out to that specific employee. Now we can go back and engage with the post that we have created. We can just like it, we can just put a small comment, okay, and then we can also vote in the poll that we have created below, and also we can react to the shoutout, and all interactions will help to boost the participation and connection across the whole community. Now let's move to spaces. Now we're in spaces that are the micro communities where employees can connect around specific topics or teams. They can be either public or private, and depending how they are configured. Here we have three main public spaces, one for hobbies, one for sports, and one for kitchen recipes. Now let's open the hobbies space. As you can see, it has its own dedicated feed where members can post updates, share photos, and comment, just like the main community feed. We can also see the space name and description, the member list, and also the admins here on the right. And even we can upload specific documents relevant for this group. Now let's go back and create a new space. First, we're going to give it a name. It's going to be around the world. Then we're going to select the communication language. In this case, we're going to select English, and we're going to add a short description. Okay. And then we can also upload a cover image as we did for the first post that we did in the previous section. Let me just drag and drop, upload, and then we can accommodate this one over here. Okay. And then we continue where we can start setting up the privacy level. We can choose if it's going to be private or public, where in private only invited members can join, and public everyone can access to it. And finally, we invite the members and the space is officially created. Now we can move to events. Now we can go here to events in the calendar, and we can see the upcoming events for this month. We can see here that next week is the Global Tech Week event for 2026. Here, if we open it, we can see again the dedicated feed. We can see here on the left the list of attendees and also the admins on the right. There is also a section to related documents like the event agenda and an option to RSVP directly to confirm attendance. Now if we go back, let's go and create an event. Here we just provide a title, Then we choose if the event is online or offline. We then select the date range and see if it's going to be a full day event, and then we can add a short description. We can also upload a banner image, but for now we're going to skip this part. Then we decide again the privacy of the event, if it's going to be private or public. We're going to keep this one public, and then we're going to invite members to join. Okay. Now, once published, if we go back to the calendar, we can see that the event is right right there. And that's how easy it is to connect, collaborate, and engage with your colleagues using the communities module in Globalli. Whether it's through posts, spaces, or events, everything is designed to bring your organization closer together, improving the experience of managing and engaging your global workforce.